Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some of the best bob haircut ideas that you can wear in 2023. Here we have this gorgeous copper colored bob, followed by a long two bob hair transformation. So she ended up getting this beautiful layered feathered bob style. This is absolutely gorgeous. Lots of volume with this particular cut. Then we have this stunning blunt bob haircut. This one ends just around the neckline. If you guys do feel inspired by any of these bob haircut ideas, please be sure to like today's video, and of course be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So next up we have another long to bob hair transformation. And the stylist ended up giving her a classic neck length style bob. Next up we have this long inverted bob style. She does have peaks of highlights mixed in towards the ends. Next up we have another long to bob hair transformation. And the stylist gave her another gorgeous blunt bob. And this one ends just around the shoulders. Next up we have another inverted bob style. And this is a great option if you want to keep more length within your hair. And if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.